Hello guys, let me show you how you can install Linux Mint in VirtualBox. Of course, the first two things that you are going to need is to download VirtualBox. All of the links are going to be in the description, and to download Linux Mint. For that, you want to go into the Linux Mint website, click into download, and from here you have 4 different editions. In this case, we're going to be using the Cinnamon one, so you want to click into download. Once you have installed already VirtualBox in your PC, and you have already the image of Linux Mint, you want to open VirtualBox. Now, right here, you want to click into new. You want to name it as you wish for. I'm going to make it Linux Mint. Type Linux. Now, if you only see 32-bit options right here, you will need to go into the search bar, type Windows Features, and open this right here. Now you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down until you see Virtual Machine Platform. Click on it and click into OK. This is going to style, and after that, you're going to need to restart your system. And then you want to open VirtualBox once more. And you are also going to need to have virtualization enabled in your BIOS. So now, go back into the VirtualBox. Now you want to select type Linux, and the version you want to choose, Debian 64 bits right here. Click on it, click into next. Now, if you can afford a little bit more RAM, I recommend you guys to make something like 4 GB at least. I'm going to set mine with 8. Click into next. You want to choose create a virtual hard disk now, and VirtualBox this image. Click into next. This option is fine. Click into next. And here, depending on how much allocation size you want to give, for me, I'm going to set it up to 20 GB around, and you want to click into create. Now, when this is undone, you want to click into the settings right here, go into storage, and you want to click right here where you see the disk that is empty. Click right here and select, and in here select the file that you just downloaded. Click into open, and now you can click into OK. Now you can click into start, and you are going to start into Linux Mint. So from here, you want to click into start Linux Mint, press enter. And now that Linux Mint have started, you want to double click where you see install Linux Mint. And now the process of installation Linux Mint inside of the virtual hard drive that we have created is going to begin. Now in here, you can select the language that you want, select your keyboard layout, click into continue. Now, if you wish to play some video files on there and to render some websites, you will need to install the Multimedia codecs. So click on it and click into continue. Now you can choose right here the disk. You can leave it like it is. It's perfectly fine. Click into install now. Select your time zone and continue. And right here you can pick your name, your computer name, and to choose a username and a password if you want to. Now when the installation is complete, you want to click into restart now. And as you can see right now, you have Linux Mint installed into VirtualBox. Now you can test it out and make anything that you want in here. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.